Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome to the Zontes Parts Buying Club. Today, 125155cc Zontes G1, U1 and U models. Oil filter element and air filter element. In the description below the video, there'll be a link to the Zontes code to buy these. So you can go to your Zontes dealer. And if you haven't got a Zontes dealer near you, then there's a web link so you can order them online. Don't forget, I put this information in the description below. If you need something and you can't find it, let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest news. This is Mad Mick signing off. Thank you.